Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, Mom to a Mini. Today, we are going to be cleaning out and organizing my refrigerator. I cannot tell you how excited I am and how much of a cleaning to this refrigerator is overdue. So if you like videos such as these, please subscribe and keep watching. Thank you. Now, guys, I know I'm not the only person that puts fruits and vegetables in these bottom two drawers and forget that I put items in there. And by the time I come back to eat them or use them, everything is spoiled and I have to throw everything in the trash can. Previously, I was showing you the items that needed to be put away and a few grocery items I had just purchased, along with some storage bins for, I'm assuming, the refrigerator, because that's what I'm using them for, that I purchased from Amazon. If I'm able to find those, I will link them below, but they are awesome. Huge space savers, and they're great for my children and letting them know what they can grab and This box of 3 different flavors of applesauce. I get these from Amazon as well. My daughter loves these. You can see me place them in the bins. I think it's strawberry, mango, and a banana flavor. But she loves them, especially when they're cold because her teeth are coming in. Right here, I'm just messing around and reorganizing and switching things up. When it comes to cleaning and decorating, I'm never really satisfied. So you'll see me switching out items right here several times. Now this is the finished product. I'm very happy with it. We'll see how long it lasts with having kids. But for right now, I'm so glad I had the chance to do this. It looks much better than the way it did before. I can actually find the things that I need in my refrigerator. Especially with having a 1 year old. She opens this refrigerator like it's hers. If she wants something, she's going to open it and take it right on out, no matter what it is. So we'll see how long this lasts. But for right now, I'm satisfied. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.